happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and it's time to reload and get ready to start using this binary trigger. Everybody says I'm just gonna burn through ammo like crazy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare for that. Go ahead and prepare for it. So as you see, I have magazines stacked up. I have some already loaded, so let me go ahead and get the loading. And those who don't know, this is my PODAVACH Speed Loader, and it saves your thumbs. It absolutely saves your thumbs. So, yo, if you do not have one of these, you are slipping, because they're not that expensive. I mean, you can buy one of these, I'd say, for about $65. Maybe even less than that when they go on sale, 50 bucks. And the meat on your thumbs is definitely worth $50 to keep the meat on your thumbs. So, by all means, go out there and get you one. And, all right, so here we go. I got it loaded up to the 7.62x3.9 mark on here. Now it's loaded. No thumb injury. No need to, go get Band-Aids or anything like that. We are good to go. Everything is good to go. Put that in like that and get the going again. Have a little magnet to hold it. So there you go. That's all you have.
I don't really want to kill you, but don't think I won't, cause I will. For real, bro, I'm trying to make a bankroll. Stay away from po-po. Stay away from haters before I go loco and end up on the run. Cause I done had to do something to this old lame man nigga trying to prove something. Woo! It's showtime! Woo! 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 It's showtime! Woo! 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 You a lame man nigga, a leech ass nigga, always lying through your teeth ass nigga. How you gon' flex? You ain't got no muscle, you can't hold your own, you a weak ass nigga. I'm a real hood nigga, OG nigga. I can't help that the bitch chose me nigga. I beat the pussy like a Salvation Army drum, but I left it wet for you so you OB nigga. I know you strapped, you lames love to play hard, but you ain't gon' bust a bubble and some dishwater. See niggas like to smoke and drink and talk that gangster shit, but turn the hose when it's time to do that gangster shit. And be the first nigga to start telling, break his finger, point you out. That's that bullshit and I smell it. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Keep them suckers away from mine, cause when the shit hit the fan, they hit the witness stand and sing like it's showtime. Woo!
All right, there you have it. I'm done loading up. I have a couple of bags left in there, but I got a couple spam cans of 7.62, so you don't have to worry about me running out of ammo. So I have these bullets everywhere. So there you have it, the PODAVACH U-Loader. Here, let me let you get a closer look at it. It's the PODAVACH U-Loader, and I just loaded up a lot of magazines. A lot. These are the 40 rounders. All right, 4 of them. So then you got the 10 rounders for if you ever let somebody shoot your gun. You don't want to let them go crazy. Just give them the 10 rounder. All right, and then we got the 20 rounder and a whole bunch 30 rounders. I mean, a lot of 30 rounders. A lot of 30 rounders. And you got the yellow banana one. But yeah, just loaded up all of that, you know, real quick. Like, and now I'm ready for range day. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications, and be sure to go check out the Snow Armory. That's the snowarmory.com. And Johnny Snow up out of here.